Ano ang kailangan mong isuko sa paanan ni Jesus? Grabe ang action na ginawa ng babae sa gospel. Crying, washing Jesus' feet with her tears, and anointing them with perfume. Ang babaeng ito ay humarap sa social stigma and judgment because of her past. Pero hindi ito naging hadlang para makalapit siya kay Jesus at isuko ang kanyang nakaraan sa awa ng Diyos. This act demonstrates tremendous endurance in facing and overcoming societal disapproval to pursue what is right and necessary for her spiritual healing. Pinakita niya ang masidhinyang pagnanais ng pagpapatawad. Endurance is about persistently seeking God's mercy and reconciliation regardless of one's past sins and the obstacles faced. Alam ng babaeng ito that enduring love and faith lead to forgiveness and peace. Kagaya ng babaeng ito, handa mo bang isuko sa paanan ni Jesus ang kasalanan at iyong nakaraan? G ka ba?